Hello everyone! Is your car struggling with rough shifting, speedometer issues, or even stalling at low speeds? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0720 output speed sensor circuit malfunction, it means there's a problem with the vehicle speed signal sent to the PCM. In this video I'll explain what P0720 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0720? The P0720 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the output shaft speed sensor, OSS. This sensor plays a crucial role in monitoring transmission output speed and ensuring smooth gear shifts. If it fails, your vehicle might shift harshly, miscalculate speed, or enter limp mode. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission damage. Common symptoms of P0720: harsh or delayed shifting speedometer, not working or inaccurate check engine light on transmission, stuck in limp mode, stalling at low speeds. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the affected components. To diagnose P0720, check these key components. Output shaft speed sensor, OSS. Location: mounted on the transmission housing near the drive shaft or output shaft. Function: measures the rotational speed of the output shaft and sends the data to the PCM. Input: shaft speed sensor, ISS, if applicable. Location: also on the transmission, usually near the front side. Function: works alongside the OSS to help the PCM calculate gear ratios. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: under the hood, near the firewall or battery. Function: processes speed sensor data to manage transmission performance. Wiring and connectors. Location: running between the speed sensors and PCM. Function: transmits the signal between sensors and the PCM. Common causes of P0720: faulty output shaft speed sensor, OSS. A damaged or worn-out sensor may send incorrect speed readings. Bad wiring or loose connections. Frayed, corroded, or loose wires can disrupt the speed signal. Failed input shaft speed sensor, ISS. Some vehicles require both the ISS and OSS to function properly. PCM malfunction. If the PCM isn't processing the speed signal correctly, it may need reprogramming or replacement. Dirty or low transmission fluid. Contaminated fluid can cause internal sensor failures or shifting problems. How to fix P0720. Step 1. Inspect the output speed sensor, OSS. Check for physical damage, loose connections, or dirt buildup. Step 2. Test the sensor with a multimeter. If it's not sending the correct voltage, replace it. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors. Repair any damaged, corroded, or loose wires connected to the sensor. Step 4. Check the input speed sensor, if applicable. If both sensors work together, replacing both might be necessary. Step 5. Inspect and replace transmission fluid. If fluid is dirty or low, replace it and check for leaks. Step 6. Reset the code and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and check performance. Ignoring P0720 can lead to erratic shifting, speedometer failure, and transmission damage. Fix it early to avoid costly repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0695, fan control circuit low. P0697, fan control circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.